So iOS 15 is in to help sort the device management issues right here. So there was an issue with people not finding device management on their devices. In iOS 15, when you check out right here, I'm running the latest version of iOS, and you can see right here, that is it, iOS 15. And it has been able to just sort the device management problems. So you can see right here, we have VPN and device management. On iOS 14, it was profile and device management. So right now iOS 15 comes with VPN and device management automatically without you installing anything. So this part is where your profiles are going to be, like maybe your beta profiles when you want to get beta updates of Apple. This is where your profiles are going to be. So let me just give an example of how this is going to be like. So let me just go to beta profiles, where I'm going to get my profiles and then install them to just get my iOS 15 beta updates. And it's just going to be hosted or going to be at where I have the device management section right here. So when you tap on this side, you're going to see I'm going to hit on install and then type in my passcode and hit on install here, and then hit on install here too, and then boom, my beta profile is installed. So this is where it's going to be hosted. Initially we had profile and device management, but iOS 15 says it's VPN and device management. You can move forward to just connect or install your VPNs, and all installed VPNs are going to be here. So you tap on this section and it's going to connect to your VPN, and that is basically very cool. So if this video was very helpful, just don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then share 21, and then also make a date for my next video. You can check out this video, it probably will help you out and know more about iPhone 13, and that is going to be basically very cool. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.